Hello, this is GK here. We're trying out a smart switch, a phone operated switch that I invented. Now, this switch operates by entering the passcode of this system, of which I already have and I've saved it on my phone in the dial in the call log. So when I dial this line, you're gonna have to see this thing go on. That's those are lights, LEDs. So let's try it out a bit. Here I've dialed and it's hands-free. Okay, that's it has been triggered by a phone call. You can do this from anywhere, and it will still work. So let me try it out again. Just turn this back thing off. I try it the second time. Here we go.
And that's how it's working.
That's
so mind-blowing, eh?
GK smart switch.
Complicated.
Pretty complicated.
We're not going to show you everything. So complicated.
People wanna see it second time. Let's try it last time. Hands free. Okay, that's it.